Was your budget ready for the rising gas prices? Was your car fuel efficient? Don't let unpredictable utility rates catch you off guard. Gas and electric rates have increased over 25% in the last 5 years. Will you be ready for the next increase?
Comfort Systems Heating and Cooling knows energy prices are unpredictable.
Count on high-efficiency Lennox products from Comfort Systems Heating and Cooling and save money for years.
No matter what hits your energy budget next.
Lennox, innovation never felt so good.